जब लास्ट सीजन वो शार्क टैंक आए थे, they were nearly at the death bed.
14 करोड़ के ईयर में हमारा 7.8 करोड़ का लॉस था।
वाओ, लॉस
पर ये तो प्रेशर में होगा। बैंक में कितने पैसे बचे हैं?
बैंक में अभी करेंटली हमारे पास 50 लाख है।
अगर आप ये अभी भी सोच रहे हो कि कोई वीसी आके अभी आपको बचा लेगा, तो वो बहुत डिल्यूजनल है।
तो कोई बचाएगा नहीं। I mean, हम अपने आप को बचाएंगे।
मुझे आपकी बातों में जो पसंद आ रहा है is you understood where the gaps are and you've understood what you need to do.
पर वहाँ से भी उन्होंने फंडिंग ली, एक नहीं 2 शार्क से।
फाइनल ऑफर है, मैं और नमिता आएंगे 1 crore for 2%, which is 50 crore की वैल्यूएशन।
We'll do that.
Wow, good.
You got a deal.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
और उसके बाद सिर्फ ग्रो किया और सिर्फ ग्रो किया है। Hello and welcome to presents Beyond the Tank. आज के जो entrepreneurs हैं, उन्होंने क्या करके दिखाया है? Welcome guys.
Thank you for having us. And I'd like to say हम अभी भी जिंदा हैं.
How does it feel to be here?
It's so nostalgic and it's such a beautiful feeling to be back because literally इस शो की वजह से and उस दिन की वजह से and उस moment की वजह से when we got the deal, life has changed.
At your time आपके I think बैंक अकाउंट में 50 लाख थे.
That's right.
Right? If I can ask, अभी what is the run rate?
6+ crores per month का run rate चल रहा है.
Amazing.
You know, maybe we'll do north of 75 crores this year in revenue.
But what was that one piece of advice you think the sharks had given that you said, हाँ ये use करते हैं, let's move on and move with this advice?
Anupam said that let's convince someone to come in with everybody else.
And I think Anupam may also be thinking about it.
चलो यार, एक बात बहुत अच्छी है आपकी. You guys haven't lost your sense of humor. Great attitude.
I think that was a big validation because we really respect him as a shark and as a businessman. So.
और हुआ क्या फिर जब रिलीज हुआ?
फिर हमने टीम मेंबर्स भी हायर किए, हमने वेयरहाउसिंग कैपेसिटी इंक्रीज किया, हमने न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च किए, हमने स्मॉलर साइजेस में प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च किए। टू बसीन्स पॉइंट हमने स्टॉक भी उठाया और डेट भी उठाई इन पर्सनल गारंटीज। एंड देन बसीन, डू यू रिमेंबर द टाइम व्हेन द शो एयर्ड? इट वाज 2nd of February.
I'm very intrigued to know this where the story is going.
पूरा टीम, we all did the viewing together at Basin's house.
Show is about to go live. I'm getting goosebumps right now just telling the story. I have a smartwatch, so my arm was on Madhok like this, and the minute the show started, it bzzz.
Yeah, हाँ.
And I'm feeling it on my shoulders, like.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
And as the episode went in 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, my watch started going crazy.
How many orders do you think आपको मिल गए थे? मैं कितने sales किए थे उस airing के बीच?
हज़ारों
few lakhs within the hour.
That's amazing.
Aj, we have more than 60% of our business coming from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. And only 40% is coming from Tier 1. The scale that has come and the penetration into the smaller cities and smaller towns is just so beautiful.
But Shark Tank के बाद भी आपके 1 या 2 rounds, if I'm not mistaken, हुए हैं ना investment के?
So हमारा only Shark Tank वाला round हुआ था, जहाँ पे we had Namita and Vinita participate along with a few other angel investors. तो वो round हुआ था, and we're very happy to say that we have closed 1 round now and we're in the process of closing it with 2 of the biggest FMCG companies in the world.
Really?
Yeah. So Unilever Ventures is investing in Arata and they're leading the investment with 24 crores.
Okay.
And not only will we have Unilever, but we'll also have L'Oreal investing in Arata. So L'Oreal is going to make their first investment in India. And the first time they'll be investing alongside Unilever in a company. ये जो round है, once we have the money in the bank, the company will be valued at about 195 crores, so 200 crores roughly.
It's almost like a dream come true if they come together, right?
Quite literally a dream. So somewhere about 3 years ago, I randomly messaged Madhok and I was like, you know what the dream would be? L'Oreal invests in us.
Shut up.
And I sent that to him 3 years ago.
And I pulled it back with a dot and it went back all the way to that message and I said, dreams do come true.
But it's just something which still feels surreal for us.
The day you entered the tank to this day today, how have Vinita and Namita shaped Arata with you?
So I think Namita has been able to help in 2 ways. One, she's been in direct contact with us, which has been really nice and pleasant. Taki we have a way of contacting her and asking her for help, and obviously we make sure we only do that as and when needed. But like जब हम अपना deal structure कर रहे थे, हमारे पास थोड़े questions थे कि how can we optimize the structure for this currently. तो from her and from her team, we got some good advice on के structuring कैसे कर सकते हैं, rights कैसे structure कर सकते हैं. So actually deal structuring में she was able to help and the team was able to help.
हमें एक product launch करना था, like
hair fix stick.
We reached out to Vinita when we weren't finding the right supplier with the right quality and the right finishing. And since this is her industry, she connected us to somebody in her team who helped us with the sourcing.
So the sourcing of the packaging material for this, Vinita really helped us with.
अब मुझे पूरा revenue model समझाइए. उस दिन से लेके आज तक?
3 distribution channels हैं, website, marketplaces and quick commerce. Website went from 40 lakhs a month to 2+ crores a month, 5x jump. Marketplaces went from less than 70, 80, maybe 1 crore a month to now 2.5 crores a month. Quick commerce went from 20 lakhs a month to 2.5 plus almost 3 crores a month. There's like a 12x jump in the business.
Achha.
And the team has grown from 25 people to 75 people.
Anything that you feel like we should know, what is next for Arata and Dhruv and Dhruv?
I think हमारा ambition अब है to become India's most trusted hair beauty brand.
Hair beauty.
Hair beauty. So interesting that you spotted that.
Yeah.
हम एक hair care brand नहीं बनना चाहते, हम एक hair beauty brand बनना चाहते हैं.
वो entrepreneurs जिनके achievements तो बहुत ही high रहे हैं, लेकिन उनका attitude भी करके दिखाने वाला रहा है. आपका growth तो phenomenal ही रहा है और आपका valuation भी 4x चला गया है. So you truly deserve to be in the Hall of Achievements. Dhruv and Dhruv, welcome to the Hall of Achievements. यहाँ हम हमेशा honor करते हैं successful entrepreneurs को, just like you.
Thank you.
But first आप मुझे बताओ, how does it feel walk down this nostalgic path?
It's such an amazing feeling, and you know I feel a bit nervous still seeing these pictures and how far we've come from there.
ये जो आपका हम करके दिखाते हैं वाला attitude है, उसे हम करते हैं honor. This is for you.
Oh my God! Hello!
What up, Veena?
So good to see you, man.
So good to see you.
Very good to see you. Yes,
Where am I allowed to come?
congratulations.
Thank you.
Our rock stars.
To us all, right? Congratulations to us all.
I know. You know, हमारा डील जब आपके साथ हुआ, तभी ना ये शार्क्स में बैंटर होता है ना, तो सबने हमें बताया बैड डील, इतना डेट है, कैश नहीं है, ये हाँ डेट है, कैश नहीं है, ये कंपनी तो बंद पड़ जाएगी, आपके पैसे डूब जाएंगे. But we believed in you.
I think यहाँ से 100x तो guaranteed है. पक्का. Then 1 year 4x.
1 year 4x. 1 year 4x.
And यहाँ से 100x की journey set.
You got it.
चलो चलो.
Bye guys, good luck.
Even we have to like pee before the next page.
Bye.
As soon as that.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care. Bye.